Northeast Regiongi Oina Weather Monitoring System Matamga Chunaba Maongda Semgatpiduna Ahenba Doppler Weather Radar DWR THAMBINABA MP SANAJAOBANA PARLIAMENTTA TAKSINKHRE Ngasi Fongkiba Parliament Mifamda MP SANAJAOBANA DWR Hena THAMBINABA Wafamasibu Special Mention Oina Pukhaladuna Hai Northeast Region Gi Chingi Lambi Singasida Weather Gi Fifamka Hena Fatabana Maram Oiduna Itatana Thainariba Khudong Chadaba Singasigi Yengbiduna Region Asida Hana Lairiba DWR Gi Masingasi Hengathanba Tangai Fadre Doppler radar Singasi Ising Ichau Thokadaba landslide Amadi Cyclone Sing Mayoknaba Yabagi Akiba Lairappo Matamda Miyamda Mangjongnana Khanghanba Amadi Jackson Tharang Sing Laukhat Hobagi Khudong Chaba Fanghali Disaster Management Hena Mapangal Kalhanduna Matamga Chunaba Hena Faba Weather Forecasting Tawduna Authorities Singna Micham Miyam Khudong Thiba Nangba Yaba Mafam Singdagi Safagadaba Mafam Singda Matam Chana Hongtok Hoba Ngami Emergency Services Hana Sem Sabagi Khudong Chaba Fanghali Loinana Infrastructure amasung agriculture da amangata thopagi chang hanta hanba ngamgani laumi singna mangjongna paikat payaba thabak thoram sing hana sem saduna maru marang amadi manama sing ka hena manggadabadagi hanta hanba ngamgani Northeast asi yamna toina ising ichaw thokhanba reason ama oibana Doppler radar sing hena masing hengat hanbana nong chubagi fibam adu yengsinduna matam chana miyeng changhoba ngamgani MP Ningthau SANAJAOBANA Makhatana Hai Hozimaki Oina Northeast Region da Thamliba DWRC Akangnaba Masing Khara Khaktani Assam State ki Oina Hairiba Radar si Guwahati Dhubri Jorhat Tezpur Amadi Silchar da Thamli Mizoram gi Oina Aizawl da Thamli Nagaland gina Dimapur da Arunachal Pradesh gina Mandala Top amasung Namsai da Thamli Loinana manipur gi Oina Imphal khakta da thamli maramasina Northeast Region asida Ahenba Doppler Weather Radar Sing Thambana Region asigi weather forecasting amadi disaster management gi fibam singthaningai oiba mongda fagathan bangamgani haiba wafam thambaga loinana Region asigi Oina Ahenba Doppler Radar Sing Semgatpiduna MP Ningthau SANAJAOBANA lenga ki pungning chingsinki
Doppler weather radars in the Northeast region. Sir, due to its complex mountainous terrain, heavy monsoon rainfall, frequent flash flood, landslides, thunderstorms, cloudbursts, and increasing climate-induced extreme weather events, the Northeast region requires a far stronger and denser weather monitoring system than what presently exists. Here are some reasons for additional Doppler weather radars in the region. Number one, improve forecasting and early warning. Doppler radars can accurately track precipitation patterns, detect thunderstorms, and provide early warnings for floods, landslide, and cyclone. Number two, strengthening disaster management. With better weather forecasting, authorities can evacuate people, prepare emergency services, and minimize damage to infrastructure and agriculture. Number three, agricultural benefit. Accurate weather forecasts can help farmers to plan their activities, reducing crop losses and improving yields. Number four, flood and landslide risk reduction. Northeast India is prone to flood, and Doppler radars can help monitor rainfall patterns, enabling time intervention. Number five, climate change mitigation. As climate change increases extreme weather events, Doppler radars can help to monitor and predict these changes. Currently, there are limited Doppler radars installations in the Northeast. In Assam, these radars are installed at Guwahati, Dhubri, Jorhat, Tezpur, and Silchar. In Mizoram at Aizawl, in Nagaland at Dimapur, in Manipur at Imphal, and in Arunachal Pradesh at Mandala Top and Namsai. Adding more Doppler weather radars can significantly improve weather forecasting and disaster management in the region. I therefore urge the government to set up more Doppler weather radars in the northeastern